bathrooms. People are flushing toilets 10 times, 15 times. So EPA is looking at that very strongly, at my suggestion. People have to flush their toilet 15 times. Okay. Dishwashers, sinks, toilets, and showers. We won't talk about toilets. Toilets. Sinks, right? Showers. And what goes with a sink and a shower?
What in the world is he talking about?
He obviously has issues with his plumbing.
Axios is reporting that White House staffer Haberman, in her book, said that periodically White House staffers would find printed paper documents stuck in the president's toilet. Apparently, at Maggie NYT says this is 100% accurate.